初级英语生活助攻，欢迎来到轻松学英语快乐游世界。
Waking someone up.
Hey, Jim, it's time to wake up and get out of bed.
Do I have to get up now?
You'd better get up or you'll be late.
What are you talking about? My alarm hasn't even gone off yet.
Yes, it did. It went off 30 minutes ago. You slept right through it. You're like a dead person while you sleep.
I must have slept right through it.
Rise and shine, sleepyhead.
Just let me sleep 5 more minutes.
The early bird gets the worm.
I know, but I don't want any worms.
Haha, if you don't make an effort now, later on it'll be a lot tougher for you.